Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to examine the KnowledgeNet AI review and determine whether it lives up to the hype as the best extension for research. So to get started, have you ever wished research was easier? KnowledgeNet AI is like a smart helper for your computer. It's a tool that can transform how you find information online. Imagine you have to learn about something for school or work. Instead of opening a lot of websites, these tools help you create a better understanding faster. It can give you quick insight by pulling information from different places. Business might even use it with their CRM. You can even verify if the information you find is correct. Basically, KnowledgeNet AI tries to make learning and finding information online simpler and quicker for everyone. Now, talking about the key features and the best features of this platform. So talking about the features, what makes KnowledgeNet AI stand out is has some really cool tools inside that can help you work smarter and not harder. These features use smart technology to automate tasks and save time. Let's look at some of the best things it can do for you. So one of the best things this website can do for you is it comes with an AI Engage together with the integrations, and it gives an organizational AI for you to integrate your work. And the pipelines are super cool and easier to use. The website traffic intelligence is super high and very cool. Now, talking about the pricing plan of this, it comes with a professional plan, and the plan is around between $59 to $60 with some key important features. So if you need more information about the key important features, you can certainly get back to the website to get more information about the plan. So to decide if it is the best plan for your business or for your work. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this powerful website. Thanks.